Welcome back to our channel, and our topic for today is all about a smart home or smart house. Okay, let's talk about smart home. Smart home technology intelligently gives you ultimate control over your home by automating the lighting system, dimming blinds, electrical appliances, audio, and security systems. Smart homes connect all the devices and appliances in your home so they can communicate with each other and, importantly, with you. How does it work? Anything in your home that uses electricity can be put on the home network and at your command. Whether you give the command by voice, remote control, or computer, the home reacts. Smart homes work with fairly simple system: receivers, transmitters. Receivers detect uncertain signal from transmitter that issues a command. From the beginning of history, the smart home's history can be easily traced back to the early turn of the century where electrical and telephone wiring were installed in new houses. In integrated smart home, infrastructure was usually built by hobbyists in 1960s, but it wasn't until 1984 the term smart home was coined by American Association of Home Builders. General Electric Company was one of the first pioneers to develop the first series of products made for smart homes in the mid-60s. These products include portable automatic dishwashers and microwaves. And what if I told you that you can control your home now by just the gestures of your fingers or click with your fingers? Introducing this device of control gestures by single cue from Alexa. You can adjust your TV, you can change channel by just flipping your fingers, or you can use it also to adjust the thermostat of your home. The Alexa single cue is a very amazing gadget that can control smart appliances in your homes by just a flip of your fingers. And of course, you can control all the appliances in your homes using the apps from your Android phones. Isn't that amazing? A home equipped with lighting, heating, and electronic devices that can control remotely by smartphone or computer. It is a dwelling incorporating a communication network that connect the key electrical appliances and services and allows them to be remotely controlled or monitored or accessed. That is a smart home. Also, a smart home, an intelligent network capable of connecting and controlling various appliances throughout your home. Can be controlled also and monitored remotely, example with your smartphone. Uses sensors to detect movements and changes in the physical state of your home, and also utilize the internet things. The question is, why do we want smart homes? Improve energy efficiency, automatic lighting based on presence, automatically regulated thermostats based on daily routine. It improves accessibility and controllability, voice gestures and motion-controlled lights, TV, etc. Improve convenience, automatically or remotely controlled thermostats, lights, multimedia system, and other electrical appliances. Also, it enhances security, intelligent and programmable looking system, increased resale value. Smart devices add extra value to homes, which can be sold at much higher price that far exceeds the cost of the smart devices. What makes a smart device smart? Generally includes transceivers, allows for the device to communicate wirelessly. It has sensors, can sense changes in the physical state of its surrounding. Motor and other actuators can change the state of its surroundings. Communication interface, touchscreens, voice command, gesture control. Requires enabling technologies such as ICs, telecommunications, MEMS, and other sensors technology. Smart window. What is a smart window? Control the flow of light through the window. Can replace traditional blinds and curtains. Program to auto tint based on temperature. Automatically open close on command. Remotely controlled, example with your smartphone. Saves energy by lessen the need of heating or cooling. Drivers improvement. New materials processes. Glass panel versus plastic sheets. Plastic sheets have less than half the price of electronic glass. New processes, electrochromic layer. Example, the tungsten oxide between conducting oxide. A layer of conductive liquid crystals, polymer between layers of PET plastic, MEMS and sensors technology, telecommunication. The smart lighting. What is smart lighting? Amount of light emitted to be controlled. Automatically regulates the amount of light emitted. Sensors for natural daylight movements and presence. Program based on daily routine, light up specific parts of room individually. Remotely controlled with your smartphone. Uses up to 80% less energy than traditional light bulb. Can change color through LEDs with different colors. Drivers of improvements. New materials for LEDs. MEMS and sensors technology telecommunication. Smart thermostat. What is a smart thermostat? Automatic regulation of your AC system. Self-programmable. Example, learns from its surrounding using sensors for temperature, humidity, far or near field activity. Auto schedule and tweak temperatures to fit your daily routine. Remotely controlled. Example with your smartphone. Lower energy consumption up to 20%. Drivers of improvements, MEMS and sensors technology, telecommunication, ICs, and artificial intelligence. Smart refrigerators. What is a smart refrigerator? Allows for more efficient food management, monitoring inventory and expiry dates. RFID to keep track of food, scan grocery receipts or items barcodes, image and voice recognition, LCD panel for information display and interaction. Remotely monitored and controlled, example with your smartphone. Recipe suggestion and communication to other cooking devices. Drivers for improvements, MEMS and sensor technology, telecommunication, ICs, RFID technology, and human-computer interfaces, HCL. The smart bed can measure average breathing and heart rate and movements. Create and present, example your smartphone, a sleeping profile. Adjust firmness and elevation of any part of the bed. Change the shape of the bed to prevent snoring. Can be programmed with several profiles. Remotely controlled, using remote control smartphone voice commands. Performs message, advise on optimum firmness levels and how to improve sleeping patterns. Drivers for improvements, MEMS and sensor technology, telecommunication, ICs, artificial intelligence, and HCL. What is a smart TV? More advanced computing ability and connectivity allows your TV to act as a computer. Browse websites, use internet-based services, interact with other multimedia devices remotely controlled with your smartphone. Can support voice, motion, and face recognition. Drivers for improvements, MEMS and sensor technology, telecommunication, ICs, HCL, and operating systems. Smart lock. What is a smart lock? Remotely controlled and monitored with your smartphone. Can be programmed to allow access to outsiders during a certain times. Connected Bluetooth and other smart devices. Sense of someone is knocking on the door, alerts residents, takes and send photos of what is in front of the door, monitor lock, unlock activity, LED indication of lock status, drivers of improvements, MEMS sensor technology, telecommunication. The smart house appliances or the smart household appliances. Smart cookware includes appliances such as ovens, coffee or tea makers, vacuum cleaners, washing machines, and can be programmed to start automatically, remotely controlled and monitored, example with your smartphone. Alert the user when the program is finished. Food and drink is ready, cleaning, washing program is finished. Drivers of improvements, the MEMS and sensor technology communication. How does a smart device add value to your home and your life? Simplicity, is it easy and intuitive to use? Convenience, does it significantly enhance your everyday life? Efficiency and reliability, can you trust it enough to fully take care of certain tasks? Customizability, can it be customized to your specific needs? Sustainability, does it provide long-term value or will it quickly become obsolete? Why some product will diffuse faster than others? The added value can come from hardware, processor, sensor, display, software, artificial intelligence, or combination of hardware and software. If the smart device requires little effort to attain the benefits from the smart features, need of human interaction. It will provide greater added value, requires high levels of automation and advanced software. Which smart devices are most likely to diffuse first? Smart window. Need of human interaction low. Value of adding or essential task. Value adding improvements in cost moderate. Smart lightings. Improvement in cost is high. Smart thermostat. Improvement in cost high. Smart refrigerator. Improvement in cost moderate. Smart bed. Improvement in cost is high. Smart TV is high. Smart lock is high. Smart oven moderate. Coffee tea maker moderate. Smart vacuum cleaner is high. Smart washing machines improvements in cost is also high. The future of smart TVs and computers. As smart TV are becoming more powerful and add greater freedom to what they can do, the gap between computers and smart TV is reduced. It is likely that in the future there will be no distinction between TVs and computers. Our homes will be filled with these displays that are all interconnected and can be viewed and do anything want it to do. Features most likely to diffuse first across all smart devices. Remotely monitored and controlled. The smart devices can be monitored and controlled from anywhere of your convenience. Energy efficiency and power savings features. Smart devices will over time use less energy than its related non-smart devices. Reduce the overall energy consumption of your home. Automation, the smart devices completely automatically take care of some tasks for you. Status updates, log, and send information about its status to the user. Markets where smart devices will have great impact on society. Energy efficiency. We are becoming increasingly aware about our energy consumption. In healthcare, smart devices can improve the life quality of elderly or patients suffering from chronic diseases. Automate certain everyday tasks they cannot do or struggle to perform themselves. Reduce the need of personal assistance. Connect and collect data from smart devices throughout the home. Embedded health system can integrate sensors and microprocessors into appliances, furniture, and clothing. Data is stored in database and can be sent to physicians for monitoring. What is smart grid? Enhanced electric distribution network that connects electrical providers, power delivery system, and consumers using of wireless communication and network technology, associated sensors and softwares. Features of a smart grid includes demand for monitoring and response, distributed generation management, electrical and thermal storage management, transmission management, power outage and restoration detection, power quality management, distribution automation, connect energy harvesting system to serve as backup source if grid fails. Smart grid for smart homes, currently in prototyping and pilot phase but expected to be used in 2019 in selective states in the US. Final thoughts on smart homes. Major challenges for the emergence of smart homes: lack of standardization of communication protocols, result in too many different remote controls or apps in your smartphone, consumers' distrust regarding the security issue of the increased collection and processing of private data. A movement towards the Internet Things refers to the idea of all objects being uniquely identified and integrated into a single information network where they can be monitored and interact with each other. The emergence of management and control system to address the lack of interconnectivity, many new smart integrators has emerged. Alright class, here are the questions for you to answer about the smart homes and the smart house technologies. Number 1, which technologies are used in smart homes today? What are the challenges of a smart home? What is smart home technology examples? What technology do smart devices use? What are the benefits of having a smart home? Why a smart home is important? What are the pros and cons of a smart homes? What are the advantages and disadvantages of your smart home? How a smart home will improve your lifestyle? Why use smart home technology? Home user. What the fuck is this question? Okay, you can skip this question, guys. Next, how can I control my smart home? How is home technology used? Why were smart homes created? And what are the features of a smart home? Alright, that's all the questions for you guys to answer, and send your answer sheet, the soft copy or the JPEG, right into our Google email in our classroom. Alright, so subscribe and make a lots of comment in our videos. For your comments will be your presence and your attendance. Thank you so much. Ciao.